If you're looking for dog collars cotton, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars Cotton. Number 1, Most Popular, by Coastal Pet. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Coastal Pet. Number 3, by Dogs My Love. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Petz Best. Number 5, by Very Vintage Designs. Find these dog collars cotton at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Blueberry Pet. Number 7, by Very Vintage Designs. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Rough Roxy. Number 9, by Fluffy Pal. Discover more dog collars cotton ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Dogs My Love.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.